Namaskar, Jai Shri Krishna. Enunciating text 18 and text 19 of chapter 2, Remembrance of Lord Krishna of 3rd canto of status quo Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 18. Ko va amushyan gri saroja renum vismaratu mishita puman vijigrana yo vispurada bhruvita pena bhumera bharam kritanten tirasha chakara. Who after smelling the dust of his lotus feet even once could ever forget it? Simply by expanding the leaves of his eyebrows, Krishna has given the death blow to those who were burdening the earth. Lord Krishna cannot be accepted as one of the human beings, even though he played the role of an obedient son. His actions were so extraordinary that, by the simple raising of his eyebrows, he could deliver death blows to those who were burdening the earth. Text 19. Drushta bhavad bhirananu राजसूये चैद्यस्य कृष्णं द्विषतोऽपि सिद्धिः यां योगिनः समस्पृहयन्ति सम्यग् योगेन कस्तदविरहं सहेत. You have personally seen how the king of Chedi, Shishupal, achieved success in yoga practice although he hated Lord Krishna. Even the actual yogis aspire after such success with great interest by performance of their various practices. Who can tolerate separation from him? Lord Krishna's causeless mercy was exhibited in the great assembly of Maharaj Yudhishthir. He was merciful even to his enemy, the king of Chedi, who always tried to be an envious rival of the Lord. Because it is not possible to be a bona fide rival of the Lord, the king of Chedi was extremely malicious toward Lord Krishna. In this, he was like many other asuras such as Kansa and Jarasandha. In the open assembly of the Rajasuya sacrifice performed by Maharaj Yudhishthir, Shishupal insulted Lord Krishna and he was finally killed by the Lord. But it was seen by everyone in the assembly that a light flashed out of the body of the king of Chedi and merged into the body of Lord Krishna. This means that Chedi Raj achieved the salvation of attaining oneness with the Supreme, which is a perfection most desired by the Jnanis and Yogis and for which they execute their different types of transcendental activities. It is a fact that persons who are trying to understand the supreme truth by their personal endeavors of mental speculation or mystic powers of yoga achieve the same goal as others who are personally killed by the Lord. Both achieve the salvation of merging in the Brahmajyoti rays of the transcendental body of the Lord. The Lord was merciful even to his enemy and the success of the king of Chedi was observed by everyone who was present in the assembly. Vidur was also present there and therefore Uddhav referred the incident to his memory. Hare Krishna.